Hey guys, welcome back to Payalat. In this video, I'll be showing you how to send money using the Payalat app. Stay tuned. First thing to do, open your Payalat app on your mobile phone. Here's the dashboard. Click on Send Money. Now choose your preferred transfer method. You can choose to transfer to Payalat wallet, domestic bank, or scan the QR code. In this video, I choose to transfer to domestic bank. Choose your preferred bank. Select your payment method using Payalat wallet, card, or bank transfer. So I choose to pay using Payalat wallet. Enter the amount and the account number. And of course, below there's an option to leave a message to the receiver. When you're done, click on Next. After that, confirm the receiver's name and the amount you're about to transfer. Transaction successful. You can choose to send receipts as proof to the receiver using your preferred platform. It could be WhatsApp, Instagram, or email. When you're done, click here to go back to the dashboard.
Send money faster on Payalat. Download Payalat app now.
Payalat, your #1 bill payment platform, powered by Globosure.